Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change eyelashes color for free without custom makeup and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to go to the dressing room because we're going to use item from the coats item. I'm going to go to the coats and we're going to apply this eyelashes. Okay, and you can change the toggle here. As you can see, we have 3 new toggles and you can choose the style that you like. For example, I'm going to use this one, and if we want to change the color, we can go to the palette or the wheel, and for example, I'm just going to make it purple. Okay, this one. Alright, and this is the final result. As you can see that the eyelashes color has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change eyelashes color and Dress to Impress without custom makeup. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!